You know, the economy gets worse and worse day by day, right? And with the stress and anxiety that we are all feeling because of the election, it seems like that's compounded three or fourfold. And um, it's just a really, really bad time for everyone. So I wanted to just come in today and give you some hope, okay, in what I can control, which is not much. But if you are struggling with massive, massive rate increases on your home and your auto insurance, and you live in Texas, please write down my name and my phone number, because I have some really exciting things happening. I have some new carriers coming on board, and I'm getting the choices back that we all want, right? We all know in this horrible economy that we are looking for ways to save money. And that means in your insurance too. You are looking for better rates, okay? That's what I do. That is my job. I'm an independent agent. I have 43 years of experience. I know this market. I know what's going on. I know who can write, where they can write, what coverages they will offer, if they'll offer you coverage, what kind of deductibles you need, and all of that good stuff that we all as consumers just don't understand, the most of us, and frankly, we don't want to deal with it. So I'm giving you some hope here, but here is the thing. If you have a renewal in the next 2 weeks, I need to hear from you like Monday. And it's going to take at least a week for me to find the time to quote you as a new client. I have 15 clients on the to-do list now where I am shopping their current rates because the current rates are killing them. And this is not a individual problem. This is a statewide problem. Most people in the state of Texas are seeing 65% rate increases on their auto and their home combined since last year. Now you compare that to what the other pricing of things is going up, and insurance is out of control. Out of control. Completely. Not only that, the carriers that are currently in place are not paying claims. They are doing anything and everything to get out of paying a claim, including telling you that they're not paying claims for damages from these recent storms because your house has wear and tear. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I don't know how I'm going to stop my house in Texas from having wear and tear. Really, the only way to prevent that, so you get any coverage, is to make sure your roof is less than 5 years old. It's where we are. It is the worst market. So if you just don't want to do the legwork, you don't want to do the shopping, you don't know where to go or how to find it, call me and I will put you on the list. I will need your declarations page that shows me your current coverages. I need all driver information. I need dates of birth for every driver. I need your address. I need all of your information, which will be on your declarations page for your vehicles and your coverages and your discounts. All that stuff is on your declarations page. I'll need your date of birth, I'll need your driver's license, and I will need, if there's multiple people in the household, I will need the first named insured. I will need a social security number. This is to verify identity and to make sure that the carriers get the right person. We are not looking at pulling your credit. They are looking at your profile to identify who you are. My carriers, which are all A+ carriers, they won't give you a quote without one social security number for the first named insured. In this case, we're talking about married couples or single individuals who have children at home. I have to have one. If I don't have one, I can't get you a quote. Not my carriers anyways. And I'd love to help you. You know, we are all feeling this vice of pressure from all of these expenses that just keep going up, and they are just drowning all of us. I get it. I'm right there with you. Trust me. I'm staring at a $15,000 roof to replace because my carrier told me, we're sorry, but you have wear and tear on your roof and we won't replace it even though I've only owned the home for 5 years and my roof supposedly was only was replaced in 17, which was 4 years ago, and sorry, 6 years ago. But they're not going to recover. They're not going to cover it because guess what? Wear and tear. So I guess it means we have to get on a roof with an umbrella, right? Is that really what they're expecting us to do? I don't know any other solution but to tell you every 5 years to replace your roof. So you're going to be out that money every 5 years because the carrier is not going to do it unless you replace it and within those 5 years you need a new one. Yeah, that's the insanity that we are facing in this market. I would love to help you. I'm Carrie Devlin Scroggins. I'm the owner of KDS Insurance Services just outside the Houston area in Waller, Cypress, and Hockley. I'd love to help you. I know what I'm doing. I have 43 years of experience and I know this market back and forward. And I'll be able to tell you pretty quickly whether or not I think I can help you. But there is a list ahead of you. And in all fairness, I have to take these requests as they come in, first come, first serve. It is the only fair way to treat my current clients and my potential new clients equally. So if you've got a renewal, make sure you're reaching out to me at least 2 weeks prior to your renewal date, so I have plenty of opportunity to get you quotes. Because here's what's happening too. On the property side of things, a lot of these carriers now are going through an approval process. So as an agent, I used to be able to quote it, write it, and bind it all in one day. A lot of these carriers, we can't do that now. We got to send it all in, have them review it, then they'll decide, yeah, they want to offer a quote. Send me the quote, then you and I decide whether or not it's what you want to do. So the days of instantaneous insurance on the property side here in Texas are fastly going away. So Carrie, KDS Insurance Services, my number is 832-391-8271, and I would love to help you. Give me a call if you just don't have the time to find better rates, and I will do everything in my power to find the best rates I can for you on your auto and your home. And I do offer all lines of insurance on the personal and commercial side. Give me a call.